Oh yeah, we're getting fancy now. This is the Keurig K50, also known as the Keurig Classic or the K Classic. This is my first time using it. We're going to enjoy the experience together of being a first-time user and a man who refuses to look at any instruction manuals. One of the most exciting parts of having one of these single cup coffee makers is what you just saw, that reservoir. 48 ounces of water stays in there, so you don't have to keep refilling it with water. Unlike Keurig machines in the past, the K-Cup machines in the past, there are no restrictions. You can use any K-Cup, any brand, flavor, variety. That's a really good thing. That's a real big selling point. This is where you load up your K-Cup. You see, I had one in here. I got it started. Then I thought to myself, wait a minute. I want to share this experience with you guys. So here we go. You pop it in, you bop it in. You simply use that handle to close it. Everything feels sturdy. It's all plastic. It's probably really inexpensive and overly priced, but it feels good. It looks good. Now, as you watch me fumble here to get the process started, the brewing process started, this will be the first bit of evidence of a man who did not read the manual. When you first power on the machine, it will warm itself up and stay ready for up to 2 hours before it automatically shuts off, which is really awesome. So that's actually what the machine was doing. I thought I had a problem with it brewing. That wasn't the case. Then we're going to learn a little bit more together. Once the machine has finished its prep process, its warming up process, getting those elements hot, then you will see your 3 cup sizes, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, light up, but they're not ready until they're flashing. So what you have to do is power it on, let it warm up, then use the plastic handle to open and close your pot in there again. Now we get the flashing. Now it's ready to brew a cup of coffee. Again, we've got 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces. I like to go with the middle brew. If you choose the 6 ounce, it's gonna brew a stronger cup of coffee. And that would be great if you're using the reusable pods. You want to brew it on 6 as strong as possible. You can go up to 10, water it down a little bit, thin it out a little bit. It takes approximately a minute to brew any size. It's a quick process. Go ahead, get your creamer, your milk, your sweetener ready. It's a good looking cup of coffee. There were no grains in it, no coffee grounds in it. I found it to be delicious, and I'm in love with the machine. It's 2 thumbs up. It's definitely 2 thumbs up. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about